Aaronnie's World. Songs, poems, stories, fun games and much more. Enjoy! My baking adventure. Hi friends! Today we are going to make chocolate cupcakes. Look friends, these are the ingredients for the chocolate cupcake. I'll tell you the ingredients. Look, this is all-purpose flour. This is cocoa powder. This is sugar. This is buttermilk. This is vegetable oil. And look friends, these are the bowls. This bowl we can use for mixing the dry ingredients. This bowl we can use for mixing the wet ingredients. And look friends, this is the cupcake tray. And this is baking powder, baking soda, 2 eggs and vanilla essence. Now friends, we are going to preheat the oven. See that? Now pour the all-purpose flour. Then pour the cocoa powder. Then put the baking powder. Then put the baking soda. Then put the little bit salt. Then mix, mix, mix. We are going to mix. Mix, mix, mix. We are going to mix. We are going to mix. Sing everybody. Mix, mix, mix. We are going to mix. We are going to put the egg inside. Yucky. Ooh. Next egg going. Now I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands. Yeah. Now pour the sugar. Now we are going to pour the vegetable oil. Then put some vanilla essence. Only little vanilla essence is left. Wow. Mix, mix, mix. Everyone mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Everyone mix. You all can also mix with me. Mix, mix, mix. Say with me. Mix, mix, mix. Now mix all the ingredients together. Now we are going to mix it for a long time. Now friends, we are going to grease the pan. Just dab your finger in the oil and spread it in the cupcake tray. It's a little messy but very fun. Now friends, we are going to pour the batter into the cupcake tray. The batter looks so chocolatey and tasty. I feel like to eat it now itself. Now I'm going to put the cupcake tray into the oven. I will bake it for 20 minutes. Look friends, these are the pictures that I drew on the fridge. Look, this is a picture of a scenery. Look! This is a rainbow! Look at the clouds all here. Tell me friends, how much colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. Look here, I wrote a joke. Looking at the rainbow every day makes you smarter a day. Funny, na? It's a very nice joke. Now I call the fridge my art gallery. Now friends, my cupcake is done. Now I'm going to put on the chocolate buttercream. Look, ooh. And I have my piping set here with this. Look. Now friends, let's try checking this. Let's see how it works. Wow! Saw that? Now let's put it on the cupcake. Let's take the cupcake out and put it here. Now let's try now. This is the part that I'm enjoying the most. Decorating the cupcake! Woohoo! That's done now. Now let's go to the next one. Now I'm going to try the plain cupcakes. Let me try it now. Yum! Now let's try the cream one. Yeah. Ooh, yummy. Super. It's really cats and dogs over here. So I'm going to take my cupcake and enjoy the rain and eat my cupcake also. Let's go. How about some cream on it? Yum. Come on. That's my neighbor's house. I every day go there and play. And that's my garden. Such a awesome box of flowers. You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy, yummy, yum. pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop. Snickums, bookums. You're the apple of my